Hello, Paige. Hey, Paige. 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 Yeah, it's not working. Okay, so hey guys, this is Super Derek, and welcome to update video for the 5th time, I think. Because she's done nothing still. So yeah, hopefully I'll be posting this one. But yeah, so, sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I just got a new dog. Her name is Paige. Oh, Paige. 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 Okay. She is a Great Pyrenees. She's probably going to end up being like 150 pounds, probably like 3 or 4 feet tall, somewhere in that area. So yeah, kind of had my hands full lately, so sorry. Gaming videos will probably be up soon. So yeah, Paige. 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 Yeah, is that working? Okay. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for hearing me out, and that, okay, are we good? Are we rolling? Okay, so thank you guys for watching this little update video. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting. That will, as I said, that will be fixed soon. So yeah, see you guys all later. Bye!